Hey, thanks for checking back, YouTube. This is the follow-up video for the Beamnova that I had a review on not too long ago. So here is some proof in the pudding, if you will. So I have it all set up with the drill gun. Underneath you see a crankshaft, and that's to wind by hand. That's the manual. But since I have a ton of wire all gathered nice and neatly, so I can just feed through the titanium blade underneath, pretty sharp to give you a good view. I can hit the drill gun for you. So that's all. I'm rotating the bottom crankshaft, so the blade will be doing all the cutting. So I have a height adjuster right up here. I have it set perfectly. So I'm going to lay you down here on this chair and try to, make it as visible as possible for you. So let me put this shim there, and I think that's a good view. Hopefully it stays, and I can do a few wires with you. So if you're wondering where I purchased this from, I bought it on Amazon for about $100. I think it's a China product. Oh, let me move my hand so you can see the actual cutting. All right, and you can actually feed it. Just make sure you get in the center. See it? Look how clean it's cutting. Make sure you center out. I just pulled down, and it'll ultimately center itself. So that's nothing. All right, I just didn't want my hand there. And the hardest part is just gathering all the wires and untwisting them and unwinding them and untwining and winding them so they can so I can just pull right out. And this is one of the first times I'm using the drill gun, but it's a very fast motion here. This is the stripping part, and that's it. No complications. I give it a 5-star rating. Cleaned it right out. Usually I'd put I'd get closer, but I don't want to block the camera. But, all right, then I will. All right, here. The miracle worker. Alright, let's go to the other side and see what I accomplish. That's the red wire. Look at it, it comes right out. Alright, that's the green. Bare bright. So I just turned 50 cents insulated to about $2.75, depending on your yard. And that's it, folks. Thanks for tuning in, and I hope you enjoyed it. Leave a like, comment, subscribe, why don't you? And more to come. And if you have anything you want to add, please feel free. I can answer any questions if you're interested. It's the Beamnova, once again, the Beamnova from Amazon. I got lucky and I picked the right one the first time. So, catch you later.